Hey, welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and today we have a very cool letter from Kenwin, the founder of Cru Nonpareil, and just thanking me for designing these boots with him and giving his brand a shot. Very excited about it. And this is my second pair of hand welted. Now, the first pair of hand welted that I did was actually made in China. These are made in Indonesia. And this is also my first pair of oxen suede. So a little bit of a reverse patina on this, nice round last. You can see the toe, real nice work there. Of course, this is a field boot. Very interesting proportion. I've never had 6 eyelets and 4 speed hooks before, so that's gonna take a little getting used to. You can see the back, a little something to remind us of Trinidad and Tobago, where Kenwin is from, and where the brand is headquartered. So really very excited. Give these a try. Take a look at the fiddleback waist on this. Big heel. Beautiful toe plate. These are something else. I really do like them. He included an extra pair of toe plates, which is very nice. And take a close look at the stitching here. Just really, really nice work. The soles, sole stitching, it's very even. And again, blind on this side with the 2 tones and that gorgeous fiddleback waist. You know, color differentiation, really gotta love it. So really like the pull tab on this and how it's integrated into that feels really, really solid leather. So just a really quick unboxing here. I'll spend some time with these when I get back from my trip.